Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Mark Conanan, ng Warren Pampanga.
Ngayon pong aldo ngayon may imbita kami pong pasibayo kening Lucky Bunny, one of our favorites karing milk tea kasi kita lang mo noon may gumpisa hanggang ngayon guys, they have like around 30 branches. May invite kami pong pasibayo uling atin lang pong announcements. And kasantingan pa kini guys may post kami na din kaya katamong fan page wall hashtag Tukimo ko now. Pero masanting nga hugot lines
Pinakamatinding hugot.
Pinakamatindi. So, dakala po rin mikyabe. Siyempre, de pong aliwa, lila malyari. Pero magpasalamat kami po kasi may tula kami karetang
Hugot da.
karetang hugot yun po talagang makakailangan naman. Ating makatula at
Ating maka-emote.
maka-emote. Anyway, so again, this vlog is about Lucky Bunny. Abayan nyo kami po.
So tara, let's go!
But then guys, may itong karetang announcement is Lucky Bunny Main or in Kening, Mexico near SM Pampanga is turning 1 year. And because of that, may decide la po na magka-dita ka renovation. So in the next few days or probably weeks akitaya po ma-renovate siya ni. May pasanting niya pa. And nano kayang pakuluda ka rin? Nano kayang adda Tawin tanam. Dito ka interview guys karing kaya katamong minyambot Alright, Aureni po, pangalago daw.
Yes, I'm Kat, taga San Agustin po.
Hi, I'm Jet, Field Merchandising Supervisor din.
Tukimo ko is real.
Tuloy mo ko is real. So,
Real na real.
Real na real. Pakibalwantala nung nanularet ang hugot lines Nain kaya ka Ma'am Jet.
Di ka ba? Tinamaan na kasi ako sa'yo.
Alright.
Makapagal din minsan, kahit yakong mapagal, ilang lupang stress.
Guys, order is served and kaya tamong table, of course, we have our milk tea and some snacks available na po kayo if you were thinking na bala mo milk tea ang Lucky Bunny. So atin niya pong suserve na snack. Siyempre po itong mangailangan ng counterpart ng inuman. Happy and available na po kayo. So habang kukuha pong pamangan kayo you can dig in So them branches na po guys ating kening Mexico, ating Arayat 1, ating keng Arayat, adwala po rin keng Arayat, ating keng Kabyaw, ating keng Apalit, ating Kalumpit, Malolos, ating keng Paniki, Tarlac, Tanatuan, Giginto, Kabanatuan, keng Mabalacat, keng Baliwag, Pulilan, Angeles, Santa Maria, Valenzuela, U-Belt, mga paras na lang naman may nila, Cainta, Dinalupian, Fairview, Ampong, itang tatawlidan din ni Baler. Okay. So, yung pekilaladang bayong drink kaya katamang ngayon guys, ising ka lang Mr. Nice Guy. Mr. Nice Guy. So, what is Mr. Nice Guy? Actually, kaya honeydew milk tea and smoothie la.
This is Mr. Nice Guy Honeydew Milk Tea.
Milk tea.
Then,
Kini naman nitang kay cream puff, bala mo counterpart na. So, honeydew with cream puff. Only 120, ito naman 110 pesos. So, depende kayo guys nung pure milk tea kayo mo or you want it with cream puff, malaria po yan. Wow. Yaman yun So, takmantala rin lang snacks Guys, ining house na kayo Taiwanese chicken. Takmantaya. Muna na, syempre, ladies first. So, ladies first. Kakalala yun.
Pag-gawin pa to TikTok may bakit.
Hashtag Ma'am Jet, ano yan?
actually bayang snacks ni Kening kay Lucky Bunny.
Lucky Bunny.
Siyempre, tinta mo ring pizza, tinta ring nachos, and
Cheesy bacon fries. Siyempre, takamantala mo naman. So, kayong physical appearance na guys bala mo atin yung pepper makaya mapaminta yan. Which I think makes it medyo exotic, medyo mapara siya.
okay.
Kanang observation, neka-soft and tender in meat. Kaya ba't bala mo salt and pepper? Ining karelang pizza. Ako tanan ko na mo. So, would you believe guys na retang bawat serving na rin kaya katamong snackers Kenny are just 59 pesos each.
Wow,
So-
solve na.
Wow, actually just bring like 250 pesos
Aduan na kayong mga.
Doon na kayo mga. Pati kayo pang milk tea. So, Ma'am Kat na nga sabi mo kayong milk tea mo. Yan.
The best siya manyaman.
Manya-manya.
Balikan ni.
Balikan me?
Balik-balikan ni.
Oy, Ma'am Jet, ano nga sabi mo?
Super smoothie. Manya-manya. Manya-manya.
Paniwalan kita. I can attest to that kasi pareho kami drink, pareho kami order. So, it's very fruity. At the same time, sabi namin, it's smoothie because of the cream puff mo yan. Kanya refreshing and bala mo dessert delight at the same time.
It's true.
So, ito, they are open for franchising. You can visit Facebook fan page or call the number we're gonna provide below. Or personally kayo pumunta kayo ng Mexico branch da. So, yung Mexico branch da is near SM Pampanga exit. We're gonna keep the video rolling. Abangan nyo kami po. Alvin nyo kayo po muna. So, masaya kami po karetang may mag-comment ne. Mamasata mo po. Shoutout na lang mo rin nung Nino Ilo. Metong na aburimi Kenny from Gara Dudes. Sabi na, aliwaya ing kaluguran na ka all the time. Kesa king kaluguran na ka pag ating time. Jeric J. UC Lapira. So, ayun sabi na, yung feeling mo sobrang lucky mo na sa kanya, pero binabani wala ka lang pala. Ilaki-bani mo na. Ayan. So, dakala pa po rin. So, we receive around 115 comments. Kareta pong hugot lines you. Magpasalamat kami po kaya kayo. Sana dagdagan nyo lang po. Malayo kayong kakahugot you.
Di kayo
Akit
pala
Jepa in
susunod
true
eh.
love you. Ay, naman. But I mean guys, so if you're looking for an alternative for your milk tea or itang hangout place mo kanya Ilaki-bani po located near SM City, Pampanga. And dakal salamat po kayong Pamanalbe. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye!
Cheers.
Sabi nila, happiness is a choice. Kaya, choose Lucky Valley. Yeah.